Are you looking for a 5-axis machine in a very compact footprint? Well, we're here looking at the Speedio U500Xd2 5AX, but this one is a little bit special, so let's find out why. As the industry is changing, people are getting high batch mixed work, which means you need a machine that is versatile. That's where the new Speedio comes in. With a 100 tool changer, you can keep all your tools for all your materials in all the time, saving you downtime on all them tool changes. Now, this machine has two more features. It has a new 20K spindle, allowing you to reduce them cycle times even further. And they've now added a bigger screen with everything in one place, so no more looking around for the information you need. So if you're looking for a versatile machine with a small footprint but giving you full 5-axis capability and lights out running with additional bolt-on automation, then you need to be looking at the Speedio U500Xd2 5AX.